Hi, I'm Annabelle from Scribeasy, a story-making platform. We'd love to fire up your imagination over 7 days by creating a nature story or poem for a competition using a Scribeasy story pack with animals, birds, insects and plants. Before you start, there are 2 creative activity sheets to help you create, plan and write your story. If you want to work together with a friend and use your photos for wild settings in the story, that's great too. We are really looking forward to reading your story. The most important thing is for you to enjoy imagining. Thanks for listening and all the best for your story inspiration.